In this video, we are going to see how to delete Roblox account permanently. So for this first, you need to open up the browser and you need to search for roblox.com/support. Once you're searching after this page will appear. In this, you need to give the contact us informations or else you can log in your Roblox account and you can proceed using login. Click continue. After that, you need to give your contact information. You need to give your username and email address. So the email address you need to give your email address which are linked to the Roblox. And the next step, what device are you have the problem? So which device are you playing? In this device, you can select the device. So if you are playing in PC, you can select it. I'm playing in PC, so I select PC. And next, select the category related to the data privacy request, or else you can select the related options. Select it, and the subcategory you can select other privacy request. Once selecting after at last, in description you need to state that you want your Roblox account permanently delete. So you need to state like this. After stating, you can give continue and submit your request. Once you click continue, it will submit the request. So this is how to delete the Roblox account permanently. So thanks for watching. For more videos, stay tuned. Thank you.